Hello everybody and welcome to our channel. Today we're doing another test, which is LGV Theory Test. In this 20 questions test you will be given the correct answer and the explanation. Good luck. 1. What does this sign mean? A. Bridge over the road. B. Road ahead ends. C. Uneven road surface. D. Water across the road. The correct answer is D. Water across the road. Explanation. This sign is found where a shallow stream crosses the road. Heavy rainfall could increase the flow of water. If the water looks too deep or the stream has swelled over a large distance, stop and find another route. 2. In England and Wales, what's the national speed limit on a single carriageway road for a rigid lorry with a maximum authorized mass of more than 7.5 tons? A. 30 miles per hour. B. 40 miles per hour. C. 50 miles per hour. Or D. 60 miles per hour. The correct answer is C. 50 miles per hour. Explanation. In England and Wales, vehicles exceeding 7.5 tons maximum authorized mass are restricted to a maximum of 50 miles per hour on single carriageway roads. In Scotland, this speed limit is 40 miles per hour. 3. What's the main reason for cleaning your wheels and tires when you leave a building site? A. To keep the tires in good condition. B. To prevent the tires from damaging the road surface. C. To reduce air leakage from the tire valves. Or D. To stop mud dropping onto the road. The correct answer is D. To stop mud dropping onto the road. Explanation. If your wheels leave mud on the road, you must arrange for it to be cleared. A slippery, muddy surface could cause danger to other road users. 4. You finished recoupling. How should you make sure that the tractor and trailer are secure? A. Reverse with the trailer parking brake off. B. Reverse with the trailer parking brake on. C. Try to move forward with the trailer parking brake off. Or D. Try to move forward with the trailer parking brake on. The correct answer is D. Try to move forward with the trailer parking brake on. Explanation. Make sure the locking mechanism is secure by selecting a low gear and attempting to move forward. Apply the parking brake again before leaving the cab. Connect the dog clip to secure the kingpin release handle. 5. What should you do when you are unable to see clearly while you are reversing into a loading bay? A. Get someone to guide you into the bay. B. Open your door and lean well out while reversing. C. Reverse into the bay until your bumper touches the end wall. Or D. Use an audible warning signal while reversing. The correct answer is A. Get someone to guide you into the bay. Explanation. Don't take chances when reversing in a confined space. It's too easy to crash or hurt someone without knowing they're in danger. If in doubt, get help from a reliable person. 6. When will the driver of a car transporter need to be most aware of the front overhang of the trailer? A. When braking. B. When loading. C. When overtaking. Or D. When turning. The correct answer is D. When turning. Explanation. The long overhang at the front of a car transporter can cause problems where street furniture, such as lampposts and traffic signs, is placed close to junctions. Particular problems might be encountered when you are turning right and there are keep left bollards in the middle of the road you are turning into. Plan your route carefully to avoid such hazards. 7. When might red diesel be used? A. For authorized purposes only. B. For environmental purposes. C. For garages to test drive repaired vehicles. Or D. For operators to reduce running costs. The correct answer is A. For authorized purposes only. Explanation. Red diesel is subject to less excise duty than standard diesel, so it's considerably cheaper. It might only be used for authorized purposes. Any driver whose vehicle is found to be using this fuel illegally faces penalties. 8. What should you do when you want to join a motorway where traffic is flowing freely? A. Build up your speed on the slip road before joining the motorway. B. Keep to a low speed until you see a gap on the motorway. C. Stop at the start of the slip road and move off when you see a gap. Or D. Use the hard shoulder if necessary to build up speed. The correct answer is A. Build up your speed on the slip road before joining the motorway. Explanation. Normally, you should avoid having to stop before joining a motorway. Use the slip road to build up your speed so that you can emerge safely. If it's extremely busy, there might be rare occasions when you have to stop and then filter into the traffic. This is most likely to happen where traffic is queuing, for example at roadworks. 9. What effect could the load of hanging meat carcasses cause when you drive around corners or bends? A. The camber effect. B. The gravity effect. C. The pendulum effect. Or D. The wave effect. The correct answer is C. The pendulum effect. Explanation. As you turn a corner, the hanging meat carcasses will all swing to one side of your vehicle, adding extra pulling force towards the outside of the curve. The faster you turn a corner, the greater this force will be. After the corner, the carcasses will continue to swing back and forth, like pendulums, making the vehicle unstable. 10. You are the driver of a fuel tanker. What dangers should you be aware of when opening the tank hatches? A. Emergency airlines. B. Low air pressure. C. Slippery walkways. Or D. Speed limiters. The correct answer is C. Slippery walkways. Explanation. Take your time when you're using walkways. at high levels. Spilled fuel can make the surface slippery and increase the risk of falling. 11. You are parking your lorry at night. Where must you use parking lights? A. In a factory entrance. B. In a motorway service area. C. In dock authority areas. Or D. On the road. The correct answer is D. On the road. Explanation. Goods vehicles exceeding 2,500 kilos laden weight must always have their parking lights switched on when they are parked on the road at night. This includes parking and laybys. Other drivers entering the lay-by must be able to see the vehicle. 12. Which load is most likely to move forward with some force when you brake sharply? A. Heavy material in canvas sacks. B. Loose sand. C. Timber secured with dolly knots. Or D. Tubular metal. The correct answer is D. Tubular metal. Explanation. When deciding which type of restraint to use, consider what might happen if you have to brake sharply. Tubular loads may move forward with some force if you have to brake sharply in an emergency. This could cause serious damage to the vehicle's headboard. 13. Which of these vehicles is most at risk from strong side wind? A. A laden lorry with box body. B. A laden lorry with platform body. C. An unladen lorry with box body. Or D. An unladen lorry with platform body. The correct answer is C. An unladen lorry with box body. Explanation. An unladen vehicle that also has high sides will be vulnerable to the effects of strong side wind. An evenly distributed load will help to keep the vehicle more stable, but the higher the vehicle is, the more it will be affected. Be aware that such a vehicle may become unstable or difficult to control in windy conditions. 14. What should you do if the load on your lorry becomes insecure? A. Attach hazard boards to the load to warn other road users. B. Continue at a slower speed to ensure the load doesn't fall off. C. Inform base at the earliest opportunity. Or D. Park and resecure the load before continuing. The correct answer is D. Park and resecure the load before continuing. Explanation. If you become aware that any part of your load is insecure, you must stop as soon as it's safe to do so. Resecure the load before continuing your journey. If this isn't possible, then you must seek assistance. Don't take risks. 15. You're driving this box van and are waiting to turn right. What should you do just before turning? A. Check your left-hand mirror and blind spot. B. Check your right-hand mirror and blind spot. C. Wave out the green car. D. Wave the pedestrian across. The correct answer is B. Check your right-hand mirror and blind spot. Explanation. Always make a final check in your mirrors and check your blind spots before you turn. Another driver or a motorcyclist might have committed themselves to overtaking traffic behind you before realizing you intend to turn. 16. What does this temporary sign mean for drivers of vehicles over 7.5 tons maximum authorized mass? A. Use any lane. B. Use either the left-hand or middle lane. C. Use only the left-hand lane. Or D. Use only the middle lane. The correct answer is C. Use only the left-hand lane. Explanation. Lanes at roadworks often have weight restrictions to keep large vehicles in the left-hand lane. The lanes through the roadworks are often narrow and therefore not wide enough for large vehicles to pass each other safely. Always look for restriction signs at roadworks. They're usually placed well in advance to give you time to move safely into the correct lane in good time. 17. What's the speed limit on a dual carriageway when you are carrying a load that's 4.5 meters or 14 feet 9 inches wide? A. 15 miles per hour. B. 25 miles per hour. C. 35 miles per hour. Or D. 45 miles per hour. The correct answer is C. 35 miles per hour. Explanation. Vehicles carrying loads between 4.3 meters 14 feet 1 inch and 5 meters 16 feet 6 inches wide are subject to low speed limits. The limit depends on the type of road. On a motorway, it's 40 miles per hour, 64 kilometers per hour. On a dual carriageway, it's 35 miles per hour, that's 56 kilometers per hour. And on all other roads, it's 30 miles per hour, 48 kilometers per hour. 18. You're driving a lorry with a maximum authorized mass of 38 tons on a single carriageway road in England. What's the speed limit for your vehicle after passing this sign? A. 40 miles per hour. B. 50 miles per hour. C. 60 miles per hour. Or D. 70 miles per hour. The correct answer is B. 50 miles per hour. Explanation. The national speed limit for a goods vehicle exceeding 7.5 tons on a single carriageway road in England and Wales is 50 miles per hour. In Scotland, the limit is 40 miles per hour. The national speed limit varies for different vehicle categories. You must know the limit that applies to the vehicle you are driving. 19. This lorry is turning right from the side of the road. What should the driver be especially aware of? A. The motorcyclist from the right passing the parked van. B. The pedestrians on the footpath by the main road. C. The vehicles behind on the minor road. Or D. The vehicles coming from the left along the main road. The correct answer is A. The motorcyclists from the right passing the parked van. Explanation. Parked vehicles near junctions can hide smaller road users, such as cyclists and motorcyclists. Double check before emerging with a large vehicle. If in doubt, move forward slowly into a position where you can safely have another look. 20. In what circumstances will short wheelbase vehicles bounce more noticeably than long wheelbase vehicles? A. When empty. B. When laden. C. When traveling slowly. Or D. When turning. The correct answer is A. When empty. Explanation. Short wheelbase vehicles will bounce more noticeably than some long wheelbase vehicles when empty. This can affect braking efficiency and all-round control. The end. Thank you for watching. Please share, subscribe and like. I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.